Okay, book number 2 is The Art of Hellboy. This is a fantastic book from a fantastic artist, Mike Mignola. I did not like his work at first. X Factor, I didn't think he was right for it. He did a lot better on Batman. And then from Batman to Hellboy, and then he just took off. But man, I love this book. Right? I have worn out this book that it's coming apart. I'll probably have to buy another one. But that's alright because it's just so good. Right. So, I like this, the watercolor. See, he has this design that is just, it's graphic, it's punchy, a little bit disturbing, dark. Love it. You know, I think he is one of the artists that I think marries everything that he's into this beautiful, complete package. I don't know how he feels about his own art. I'd love to ask him if he feels that, you know. See, yes, Batman, right? That dark, gothic, strange, you can get weird with it. But yeah, look at the inking. It's glorious. Yeah. I love this book. I've nearly worn this book out. This is, yes, the first sighting from the first Hellboy story. Originally printed in San Diego Comic-Con Comics number 2 in August 1993. Woo! It was in high school? Yeah, it was in high school. But yeah, this right here. See, it seems like he popped out fully formed. But yeah, this book is fantastic. Got some design stuff. You got some colored pages. But a lot of his just raw inks. And that's what I came here for. That's lovely. Look at that. Spines popping. Just graphic. I like it. As a one-man band in art making, simplification is key. Right? Look at that. Simple, but designed beautifully. I'm sure I'm not saying anything that you haven't already heard, but it's awesome. Yep, this is. Look at that. That is disturbing and awesome. Who doesn't want to be disturbing and awesome? I think I've read most of the Hellboy books. I have the very final one, but I want to reread before I do the final one. I think it's Hellboy Goes to Hell, something like that. Fitting, right? I like that. Just the tree, the rock, the characters. disturbing and awesome. Maybe that's what I should title this. Mike Mignola. Disturbing and awesome. We should all have something like that as an artist. Trey Hodges. He likes to get dirty. No. That doesn't sound good. He likes to make a mess. And I kind of do. Look at that. Exploratory things. Oh man. So yep, this book is coming apart. I try to be gentle with it, but still, I'm gonna need a new one. And then I'll probably chop this one up into, you know, my favorite pieces, and keep them like at my drawing desk or something. See, this is awesome here. I think this was like a bookmark. So yes, this is what I live for right here. You have the exploratory drawing, you know, little thumbnail, a larger, more developed thumbnail, and then I'm probably sure there's probably like a middle step between this and this, but look at that. Planning, and then execution. Right? This is what I didn't understand as a child. I only saw this. I didn't see this. And I always wondered, okay, I understand this. But how did you get there? How did you do it? And that's what I love about art books. How did you get there? I want to be there. How did you get there? Look at that use of blacks. Black and white. So punchy. So very punchy. Okay, yes. Again. You do this, right? You can have like a little sketch, and then you're like, okay, let's translate this to more. Add some colors and some darks. Where am I going to plan out my darks and lights? This is probably with a Sharpie. I think it's a Sharpie. So then you have that, and then once you have that, you know, you can blow it up, draw on top if you need to, and then make the final. This is all why I love art books. Steady. Hellboy and Batman. Demons, skulls, weird hand candles. This is a really good one. Pancakes. Why Hellboy stayed on Earth instead of returning to hell. You lost your boy forever. Because he loves pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? They're awesome. Pancakes and hot dogs. Not at the same time, but you know, it's what I could live for. I'm gonna go on a tangent because my mind's thinking about hot dogs right now. But that's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Got them down. Coming down. Sir. You doth exceed yourself. See, this is what I like about art too. You can work on composition. Think about the varied ways we can do stuff now. right? You could have a comic book that scrolls on your phone, right, as one contiguous story. That's awesome. You have the comic book medium, which is established. You have 4 panels, 3 panels. You have animation where the pictures move. Art is fantastic. And if you picked on, you clicked on this video, I'm sure you would agree the nature of the beast. See, I like that. I like looking at this stuff. Because it's not, you can tell it's inked because it doesn't have the solid blacks. Like when you scan it in, you can manipulate it so that it is blacks, like just up and down straight, flat blacks. Computer black. I don't know exactly how I would say it. That's awesome. Who doesn't like an awesome headless man? I love this story. I think I copied that story. Baba Yaga. I like Baba Yaga. I think I also copied this too, where I had my character standing on a rock, but I think there was like an ocean, something like that. Art thievery, man. This is what you got to do. Well, not literally, don't steal, kids, but copy, yes. Learn, figure it out. Okay, how they do this. I learn the best by doing. I'm not really it's harder for me to be taught with words. I have to do it, which was kind of hard for me when I was a child because words go right over my head. I have no idea what you're talking about. That's awesome. Look at that. I like where he knows where, how much white, how much darks, how much. I need to study more of that. Talking to myself, I'm sorry. And you feel that Jack King Kirby, right? I feel it. And I love that feel. Man, Jack King Kirby was his mind. Whew. But anyways, this is awesome right here. Look at that. It's haunting and it's weird and I love it. Because you're like, okay, what? And then, oh my God. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah. Hellboy. He feels new, but he's getting up there in age now. I think this is a place mark for this one, because I've always liked animals with shining eyes, like when you take a picture at night and you see dogs and whatever, and their eyes do that weird glowy thing, and it's like they're looking straight at you. I will eat you. Tell me your name. See? Yeah, talking animals. It's awesome. So good. Mikey Mignola. I like the simpleness of this right here. A lot of negative space. Character right there. Designy. Beautiful. Yes. See, I like these page breakdowns where an artist is just, they're working through it. Okay. I know what I want to say, I think. And then, you're figuring it out. It's like, no, let's try something. No, let's try something else. Okay, I like that. And then, it's like a conversation with yourself. It's awesome. The deep sea scares me. I don't know why I'm bringing up my fears right now. You don't need to know that. Okay, this is awesome. Look at that. It's like he had fish and an octopus behind him. And he's like, no, take that out. It makes it better. Let's make it better. And he did. Yeah, that's what I think I like about art, is the figuring it out. We're always trying to plus an idea. It's like, okay, that's good. What can make it better? What would make it even better? Flaming sword. No. Who doesn't like a flaming sword? Flaming crowns, flaming demons. There's just something so metal about it. And I dig it. I'm rambling while looking at art. It's one of the best things to do. This I really like. Look at that. Isis, I believe. The goddess of the moon, and what was it? Horus's wife. Sun, her son is Ra, the sun god. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd here, yeah. And it's fantastic. Hellboy goes to Japan. Floating heads and stuff. Look at that, that's some Bram Stoker type stuff right here. Black and red. Bold. Dracula. And then we end with something simple. Kudos to you, Mike. Mr. Mignola. I hope I'm saying his name right. I probably said it 5 different ways during this whole thing. Okay, trying to fix it. There we go. It'll hold up for at least a little bit longer. But yes, Hellboy. Fantastic. Fantastic. Love it. I think I picked it up at a Barnes & Noble. Yeah, I believe I did. But it's great. Yeah. Barnes & Noble. Great book.